If you want to bring picosecond laser treatments into your practice, you may be facing a difficult choice. Pay a premium brand price or settle for fewer treatment capabilities. I'm 𝗣𝗜𝗖𝗢, founder of Rock Bottom Lasers. For more than 18 years, I've helped aesthetic practices evaluate equipment based on what matters after the sale: treatment capability, reliability, support, and return on investment. That's why we offer the 𝗖𝗍𝗍 PICO-TECH, a versatile picosecond platform designed to give practices more treatment options without the acquisition cost associated with many of the best-known Pico systems. PICO-TECH includes 1064, 532, and 755 nanometer wavelengths, plus 585 and 650 nanometer auxiliary dye wavelengths for difficult tattoo colors. That gives you a broader toolkit for multicolor tattoos and unwanted pigment across a diverse patient population. And PICO-TECH goes beyond traditional tattoo removal. Its Honeycomb Micro Lens handpiece creates approximately 120 microbeams for fractional treatments focused on pigment, tone, and fine lines. The 1064 Fractional DOE handpiece adds a 49 treatment pattern for texture, enlarged pores, mild wrinkles, skin marks, and mild acne scarring. With picosecond, PTP, Q-switch, and long pulse capabilities, PICO-TECH is not just a single-purpose tattoo laser. It's built to support a wider menu of aesthetic treatments from one platform. The cash price is $59,975. That includes a 2-year warranty, on-site installation, 1 day of on-site training, 1 annual preventive maintenance, so you can evaluate the investment as a complete ownership package, not just the price of the machine. But owning technology does not automatically create patient demand. That's why every PICO-TECH purchase includes our 90-day Leads program, a focused launch campaign designed to help introduce your new treatments, generate local interest, and put qualified opportunities in front of your practice. The right question is not simply which laser has the most recognizable name. It's really what platform gives my practice the right capabilities, support, and path to ROI. For many practices, PICO-TECH may be that answer. Click below to schedule a PICO-TECH consultation. We'll review your current services, patient mix, treatment goals, and budget, and help you decide whether PICO-TECH makes sense for your practice.